If you've ever struggled with energy crashes, mood swings, or stubborn weight gain, your hormones might be to blame. The good news? The keto diet could be the secret weapon you need to restore balance and feel your best. By switching to a low-carb, high-fat lifestyle, many women experience improved hormonal health, steady energy levels, and even better mental clarity. But what makes keto so powerful for women? Let's dive in. Understanding keto and hormonal health hormones are the body's messengers, controlling everything from metabolism to mood. When they're out of balance, you might feel sluggish, irritable, or even struggle with issues like PCOS, thyroid dysfunction, or menstrual irregularities. The ketogenic diet helps stabilize key hormones by reducing insulin spikes, lowering inflammation, and promoting fat burning instead of sugar dependence. How the keto diet affects women's hormones: insulin control. Too much insulin leads to weight gain, sugar cravings, and energy crashes. Keto lowers carb intake, helping regulate insulin and making weight loss easier. Cortisol regulation. High stress levels can lead to excess cortisol, causing belly fat and fatigue. Eating healthy fats and maintaining stable blood sugar helps manage stress hormones. Estrogen balance. Keto can help detox excess estrogen, reducing bloating, mood swings, and PMS symptoms. Thyroid support. While keto can support thyroid health, women must ensure they're eating enough calories and nutrients to keep their metabolism running smoothly. Boosting energy and mental clarity. One of the biggest benefits of keto is steady, all-day energy. Instead of relying on carbs that cause spikes and crashes, your body burns fat for fuel, providing a consistent energy source. Plus, ketones fuel the brain more efficiently than glucose, improving focus and mental sharpness. Best keto foods for women. Avocados, packed with healthy fats and potassium. They help reduce bloating and keep you satisfied. Eggs, a nutrient powerhouse with choline, which supports brain health and hormone production. Salmon, rich in omega-3s to reduce inflammation and balance hormones. Leafy greens, high in magnesium, which helps combat stress and supports muscle function. Coconut oil boosts metabolism and provides quick-burning energy. Practical tips for women on keto. Don't fear fats. Healthy fats like olive oil, nuts, and butter are your best friends. Prioritize protein, maintain muscle mass, and support hormone production with quality protein sources. Stay hydrated. Electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium help prevent keto flu and keep energy up. Cycle your carbs if needed. Some women find that occasional carb cycling supports thyroid function and menstrual health. Listen to your body. Every woman is different, so adjust your diet based on how you feel. Final thoughts. Keto isn't just about weight loss. It's about transforming your health from the inside out. Whether you're looking to balance hormones, boost energy, or simply feel better overall, the keto diet offers a sustainable and effective way to achieve your wellness goals. Have you tried keto for hormone balance? Share your experience in the comments below.